Hello everyone, in this video I will compare AutoCAD and TurboCAD. AutoCAD and TurboCAD are both powerful design software tools used for 2D drafting and 3D modeling, but they serve slightly different uses. AutoCAD is a popular design software used by architects, engineers, and designers to create detailed 2D and 3D drawings. It offers a wide range of tools for drafting, modeling, and editing with high accuracy. The interface is professional but may take some time to learn for beginners. AutoCAD is powerful and trusted in many industries for building plans, mechanical parts, and electrical designs. It allows easy file sharing and works well with other Autodesk products. The software runs smoothly but requires a good computer to handle large files. TurboCAD is a user-friendly design software used for both 2D drafting and 3D modeling. It's a great choice for beginners, hobbyists, and small businesses because it's more affordable than other CAD programs. The tools are easy to understand and the interface is clean and simple. TurboCAD supports many file types and includes helpful features like rendering and architectural design tools. It may not be as advanced as AutoCAD, but it still offers strong performance for most design needs. Some users say it can lag with very large projects, but overall it works well. Overall, AutoCAD is better for professionals needing advanced features and precisions, while TurboCAD is better for beginners or those on a budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.